This is the story of Ram and his wife Geeta, who lives happily in a city area of Nepal. Ram has the habit of alcohol consumption and going in bars. He has been drinking for past 20 years. One day while Ram was brushing his teeth, he has a toothache and it has been troubling him since the previous day. His wife scolds him saying,
"I have been continuously telling you to go for a checkup but you never listen to me."
The next day they go to the hospital. The dentist on Ram's oral examination explains,
"There is a root stump on your molar tooth that needs to be removed. Do you have any medical condition before we undergo with the procedure?"
Ram hesitantly states,
"Doctor, I am fine. You just go on with the procedure quick. I want to get this tooth removed as soon as possible."
Geeta interrupts Ram and complains to the dentist.
"Oh my God. What are you saying, husband? Just a month ago, you got your sugar level checked and it was quite high, you remember?"
Hearing this, the dentist requests Ram to get his normal medical examination done before going for extraction and writes a prescription to mitigate his pain for a short period of time. On their way to home, Ram scolds Geeta.
"Why had you to speak in the middle of the conversation? I had already assured the dentist that I was all and good and ready for the extraction."
Geeta denies.
"The doctor asked if you had any medical condition. As a wife of yours, it's my responsibility to tell the dentist about your medical condition that you are suffering from."
Ram says in disbelief.
"This is all the tactic of the big hospital to get money from middle-class family like us. Last year, I went to Shyam's clinic and without taking any medical history, he got off the tooth within second. He doesn't have a medical degree but still there is a queue of patient in his clinic. I don't trust the big hospitals and would rather prefer going to his clinic."
Without asking Geeta, the next day Ram goes to Shyam's clinic. Shyam, who is a quack without giving much time on oral examination, plucks out Ram's tooth within a minute. Ram is very happy now and he praises Shyam's work for his effort. Ram and Geeta goes to the dentist the next day. Dentist thinks that they have got the medical report, but to his astonishment, Geeta explains the dentist.
"He went yesterday to Shyam's clinic without informing me and got his tooth removed. But now, he has a big swelling and he has been bleeding from his gums since last night. So we have came here for that issue."
The dentist said,
"I will write the medication to stop the bleeding for the time being, but you need to get your medical test and an oral x-ray phone as soon as possible."
The dentist on the x-ray found that Shyam had done medical negligence and still there was a portion of the tooth to be removed. Moreover, the medical report shocked the dentist. The dentist questions Ram.
"Have you been involved in any work related to blood products or injection?"
Ram denies.
"No dentist, I just had my tooth removed in Shyam's clinic 1 year ago. That's it."
The dentist explains Ram.
"Due to the lack of proper sterilization and no aseptic restorative protocol maintained at Shyam's clinic, you have been affected by hepatitis."
Ram gets very angry and realizes his mistake. Straight away, he goes to the quack Shyam's clinic and chases him away from the city, shutting down his fraud clinic. Always get your teeth checked with your Nepal Medical Council registered dentist. A single mistake of yours can get your whole life into trouble. Don't go the quacks who are more like a mechanic than a dentist. Great teeth brings great smile and great smile brings great life. So, always go to registered dentists who are the doctors, engineers and artists of your smile.